what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for.
Hi beautiful, welcome back. My name is Destiny and you are tuned into All Things Des. Today we are going to be doing a install with my birthday wig. This unit actually just dropped on my shop. Her name is Simone and she is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. This particular unit that I have on today, she is in 250% density, 30 inches, and she is beautiful. She has HD lace, everything, y'all. This wig is just giving life, volume, all of that. I cannot wait to show you guys how she looks out the package. Pretty much she's already been customized, like how you guys will receive her if you purchase at eyeminks.com. So I'm just going to show you guys how I installed her, how she looks, give you guys a close-up view of the lace and everything like that, and give you guys some shots. This particular unit, she varies from 16 inches all the way to 30 inches, and she is high density, so I'll only offer 180 and 250% density on all of my units. So if you like full hair, voluminous hair, big hair like I do, you're gonna love this unit. I have so many compliments on it, you guys. So if you're interested, please visit www.eyeminks.com and check your girl out. I do have varying styles and I always add new wigs, so be on the lookout for that. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Push the like button if you guys like what you see today, and also hit that bell button. I'm also going to be dropping some more resale units, which are some units that I reviewed on this channel that I do not no longer wear anymore, and so they're for sale. So you guys please check out my website. Like I said, www.eyeminks.com. I will have that description. I will have all the information down for you in the description box, so check that out as well. And without further ado, let's get started with today's video, you guys. Bye. Hey beauty, so we're gonna get ready with our install. We're gonna go ahead and install this wig very quick and easy. Since the wig is already basically customized, it's gonna make the process that much easier. I have the wig pretty much snug on my head. I adjusted the straps in the back so that it could be a really tight fit. There's no combs on the ear tabs, so I think that's good because it's not gonna be irritating and it's gonna be a perfect fit. So I pretty much already know where I want to lay my wig, and so I'm gonna just put the glue, and I'm going to do 2 layers. So I'm going to let it dry clear, you guys. This is an important step. You don't want to miss it. You want to make sure that your hair that the glue is clear, because it will look crazy if you do not get it to dry clear. So I'm going to do this in this portion, and then I'm also going to show you guys how I get it to lay very flat. The wig band that you guys see me with, it does come in the packaging when you guys receive any of the wigs that you order from Eyeminks. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. It also comes with a rat tail comb and an edge brush. It's like a 2-in-1 thing I showed you guys before, so it's very easy to apply your wigs. And if you need a reference, you can always come and watch this video. You can get to all of my videos from my website, or you can come straight to YouTube and watch the tutorial and how I installed this unit. So if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. I pretty much show you guys a step-by-step how I cut the ears out, with the ear tabs, and how I just basically lay it. It didn't take anything to do this wig. It literally took like 5 minutes to do everything. And yes, you guys, it's very simple and easy, and I love the fact that I know how to do my hair, and this install was everything. I love this wig so much. I'm actually going to be doing more styles with it so you guys can see the versatility of this unit, my diet, and all of that. But I got so many compliments on this hair. I cannot wait for you guys to receive this unit. If you are interested, please visit Eyeminks to go visit the website and purchase this unit. Like I said, I do have different densities, different lengths, so you guys, you can choose whatever size and density you want. But pretty much I'm just gonna let you guys see me do the install, and we're gonna finish the rest of the video.
Over, might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother... meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm tanked up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm tanked up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how.
That's it for today's video. If you guys are interested in this unit, again, visit us at eyeminks.com. Don't forget to check out that description box because all the information will be linked down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Like I said earlier, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button because I will be back with more units. Also more gems like I always give you guys, and it's always my pleasure. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy.